Hello friends, today in this video we will discuss some general properties of groups. We will discuss some important theorems such as the identity element in a group is unique, the inverse of an element in a group if exists is unique, and some other properties. This is the fourth video in the series of group theory, and so far we have discussed some basic properties of group theory such as binary operation, algebraic structure, definitions of groups, and abelian group, finite and infinite group, and order of the group. In our previous video, we have discussed some examples, such as I will show you. We have discussed set of integers is an infinite abelian group with respect to addition. Also, we have discussed, we have shown that set of cube roots of unity is an abelian group with respect to multiplication. Similarly, we can show that set of fourth roots of unity is also an abelian group. If you have any query and you want to ask any other question, you can ask me by post your queries in comments. Now today we will discuss some general properties of groups, such as first we will show that the identity element in a group is unique. बेसिकली हमें करना क्या है इसमें, हमें शो करना है, हम जानते हैं तो जब भी हम किसी अलजेब्रा स्ट्रक्चर को ग्रुप प्रूव करते हैं तो उसमें एक यूनिक आइडेंटिटी, उसमें एक आइडेंटिटी एलिमेंट होता है, तो हमें शो करना है ये आइडेंटिटी एलिमेंट हमारा यूनिक होता है. इट मीन्स a group cannot have more than one identity element. It means identity element in a group is unique. We will prove this theorem by the method of contradiction. For this, let us suppose that let G be a group we will assume that there are two identity elements and we will prove that these are equal. Let, if possible, both E and E dash be the identities in G. We have assumed that there are two identity elements in G, E and E dash. We have to show that, what we have to show? We have to show E equals to E dash. Now, since E and E dash, we have assumed that both these are identities. So let us consider by the properties of group. Since E is the identity, this implies E into E dash equals to E dash into E equals to E by the definition of identity. Also, we have assumed that E dash is also identity. This will implies E dash into E equals to E into E dash equals to E dash. But we know that G is a group and E into E dash and E dash into E is the same and unique element of the group, because if G is a group, then it will satisfy it will satisfy closure property, and E into E dash and E dash into E will be the unique element of that group. Hence, also we can say that these left hand side of equation 1 and 2 are equal, so right hand side must be equal. This will implies E equals to E dash. What it means? The identity element element in a group G is unique. Hence proof. बेसिकली इस थ्योरम में हमने किया क्या है, हमें प्रूव करना था आइडेंटिटी एलिमेंट इन ए ग्रुप इज यूनिक। किसी भी ग्रुप में आइडेंटिटी एलिमेंट जो हमारा यूनिक होता है, तो हमने माना कि हमारा आइडेंटिटी एलिमेंट यूनिक नहीं है, और हमने मान लिया दो आइडेंटिटीज है हमारे ग्रुप में, ई एंड ई डैश, बोथ विद द आइडेंटिटीज इन जी। आइडेंटिटी को यूनिक प्रूव करने के लिए हमें करना क्या होगा, वी विल शो दैट E equals to E dash. We will show that E equals to E dash. For this, because G is a group and we have considered E as the identity element, then E into E dash must be equals to E dash into E, which will equals to E, identity of the group G. In the same way, E dash into E equals to E into E dash, which must be equals to E dash, because E dash is also identity. We know that, also know that G is a group, and E into dash and E dash into E both are unique elements of the group. Hence, E equals to E dash. It shows that identity element in a group is unique. Next, we will prove that in theorem 2. The inverse of each element in a group if exists is unique. इस थ्योरम में हमें प्रूव करना है किसी भी ग्रुप में सभी एलिमेंट का इनवर्स एग्जिस्ट होता है, हमें पता है each and every element must have a unique have inverse in that group. Now we have to show inverse of each and every element is unique. सभी एलिमेंट का इनवर्स यूनिक होगा। इसे भी हम बाय द मेथड ऑफ कॉन्ट्राडिक्शन ही प्रूव करेंगे। सो लेट अस सपोज दैट let G be a group. By default we have taken the composition being multiplicative. With respect to multiplication भी हम थ्योरम प्रूव कर रहे हैं, अगर with respect to addition भी लेना चाहे वो भी हम ले सकते हैं। Let G be a group. Let A belongs to G, be any element of G. A कोई हमारा G का एलिमेंट है। Let us suppose let if possible both B and C are the inverses of A belongs to G. हमने मान लिया B और C एलिमेंट A के इनवर्स हैं, दोनों A के इनवर्स हैं। नो because B is the inverse of A and C is also inverse of A, then now AB equals to BA equals to E and AC equals to CA equals to E, where E is the identity element in G. Identity in G. ध्यान दें, अगर B A का इनवर्स है तो A into B must be equals to E, which will also equals to BA, and similarly C is also inverse of A, hence A into C equals to CA equals to E. Now we will consider, we have AC equals to E. From here AC equals to E. Let us multiply both side by B in left. Then B into AC equals to B into E. This implies B of AC equals to B, because E is the identity element. We can write E is identity. Also we have we will say this equation as 1. Also we have BA equals to E. From here we have BA equals to C. Multiply both sides in right by C. Then we will have BA into C equals to E into C. This implies BA into C equals to C, because by the same property E is the identity here. Now from equation 1 and 2 we see that BAC equals to B and BA into C equals to C. Now since G is a group, so it must satisfy associative law. Hence equation 1 and 2 must also satisfy associative law, and LHS of them must be equals. This implies since G is a group, it must satisfy associative law. It must satisfy associative law. This implies from 1 and 2 BAC must be equals to BAC must be equals to BAC. BAC. This will implies B equals to C. What it means? Inverse of each and every element in a group, if exist, is unique. This implies inverse of each element in a group, if exist, is unique. Hence proof. बेसिकली इस थ्योरम में हमने क्या किया है, हमें प्रूव करना था इनवर्स ऑफ ईच एंड एवरी एलिमेंट इन ए ग्रुप इफ एग्जिस्ट इज यूनिक. वी हैव टू शो इनवर्स ऑफ ईच एलिमेंट इन ए ग्रुप इफ एग्जिस्ट इज यूनिक. हमने मान लिया जी कोई ग्रुप है और ए कोई जी का एलिमेंट है. अब जब ए कोई जी का एलिमेंट है और जी ग्रुप है, तो इट मीन्स ए का इनवर्स भी होना चाहिए. तो हमने इस थ्योरम को प्रूव करने के लिए दो इनवर्स माने. हमने माना लेट सपोज बी एंड सी बी द इनवर्सेस ऑफ ए. अब क्योंकि बी और सी दोनों इसके इनवर्स है, तो ए बी इक्वल्स टू बी ए मस्ट बी इक्वल्स टू ई, बिकॉज बी इज द इनवर्स ऑफ ए. Also C is also inverse of A, hence AC equals to C must be equals to E, where E is the identity in G. Now we have from here AC equals to E, multiply both side by B, we will get this. In the same way we have BA equals to E, multiply both side by C in right, you will get this. अब क्योंकि G एक ग्रुप है तो इसे एसोसिएटिव लॉ सेटिस्फाई करना चाहिए. सो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड ऑफ दीज BAC एंड BAC मस्ट बी इक्वल्स. अगर ये दोनों इक्वल होंगे, व्हाट इट मीन्स, B इक्वल्स टू C. इट मीन्स इनवर्स ऑफ ईच एलिमेंट इन ए ग्रुप इफ एग्जिस्ट इज यूनिक. इसके बाद हम अपनी थर्ड थ्योरम प्रूव करते हैं. थ्योरम 3. if the inverse of A belongs to G is A inverse, then inverse of A inverse is A. क्या क्या प्रूफ करना है हमें? सपोज G is a group and A is any element of G. If A is any element of G, then its inverse must be exist. And suppose A inverse is the inverse of A, then we have to show A is the inverse of A inverse. What it means? Let us consider. Let G be the group, G be a group, and A belongs to G, be any element of G. Let us consider. Let A inverse is the inverse of A belongs to G. Then what we have to show? That we have to show inverse of A inverse is equals to A. It means we have to show that inverse of A inverse is equals to A. Let E be the identity in G. Now we know that A inverse is the inverse of A. This implies, since A inverse is the inverse of A belongs to G. अगर A इनवर्स A का इनवर्स है तो इसका क्या मीनिंग होगा? A इंटू A इनवर्स मस्ट बी इक्वल्स टू E, जहाँ पे E is the identity in G. We have already defined E is the identity in G. अगर A इनवर्स A का इनवर्स होगा तो उन दोनों के बीच में ऑपरेशन लगा के हमें क्या मिलना चाहिए? आइडेंटिटी. हेंस वी हैव राइट A इंटू A इनवर्स मस्ट बी इक्वल्स टू E. नाउ multiply both sides मल्टीप्लाई बोथ साइड्स बाय ए इनवर्स का इनवर्स। दोनों साइड हम राइट साइड में ए इनवर्स के इनवर्स से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो हमें क्या मिलेगा, ए इंटू ए इनवर्स इंटू ए इनवर्स का इनवर्स इक्वल्स टू ई इंटू ए इनवर्स का इनवर्स। We can write a into a inverse into a inverse का inverse equals to a inverse का inverse। ये किस रूल से हमने किया, क्योंकि G is a group, so it must satisfy associative law. We will write here because G is a group, so it is associative. From here what we will get, a into E equals to a inverse का inverse. This implies, because by the same method we know that if a inverse is the inverse of a, then a into a inverse must be equals to E. In the same way, if a inverse is the inverse of a, then a inverse into a inverse ka inverse will be equals to E. Hence from here we will get a inverse ka inverse equals to A. Proved. Also, if we want to write, we can write also it as a inverse into A equals to E. We also can write it as, then what we have to do, we have A inverse into A equals to E. No multiply by A inverse का inverse in the left. A inverse का inverse, A inverse into A equals to A inverse का inverse. Proceeding in the same way, because G is a group, so it must be associative. We will have no, from here what we will get, E into A equals to A inverse का A inverse. This implies A inverse का inverse equals to A. Hence proved. ये काफ़ी इम्पोर्टेंट थ्योरम है और काफ़ी बार एग्जाम्स में पूछी जाती है, तो इसे हम अच्छे से तैयार करना चाहिए फॉर द पर्पज ऑफ एग्जामिनेशंस। इस थ्योरम में हमने क्या किया, इफ द इनवर्स ऑफ ए इज ए इनवर्स, देन इनवर्स ऑफ ए इनवर्स इज ए। देन हमने इसे प्रूव कैसे किया, हमने माना जी कोई ग्रुप है, ए कोई जी का एलिमेंट है, ए जी कोई ग्रुप है तो उसका इनवर्स भी एग्जिस्ट होगा सभी एलिमेंट्स का, तो हमने माना ए का इनवर्स ए इनवर्स है। हमें शो क्या करना है, इनवर्स ऑफ ए इनवर्स मस्ट बी इक्वल्स टू ए। वेट 1 मिनट। A inverse is the inverse of A, so A into A inverse equals to E, and A inverse A which will also equals to E. Hence अब हमने क्या किया, दोनों इस इक्वेशन के दोनों साइड, राइट साइड में ए इनवर्स के इनवर्स से हमने मल्टीप्लाई की, मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद हमारे पास आ गया a इंटू ए इनवर्स इंटू दिस। अब क्योंकि जी ग्रुप है तो ये एसोसिएटिव लॉ मस्ट बी सेटिस्फाइड, हेंस a inverse a into a inverse a inverse equals to e. So we can say that inverse of a inverse is a. In the same way, if we multiply in the left, then we can also easily prove this. Hence the theorem is proved. There are some more theorems or more properties we will discuss in our next part. If you have any query regarding this or any material, if you have any query regarding this or any material, then you can post your queries into comments. I will try to solve all these. If you want these notes in PDF, I can also provide you. Thank you very much.